Okay, let's connect my workspace to my file system. I'm going to click on this button and we can see workspace connected successfully. I'm going to use agent mode to generate a collection from the files in my file system. All right, we can see agent mode found all of these requests in my backend, and it's going to create a collection based off of my backend files. All right, so it says I've created this collection for you, and this is where it is, and these are all the endpoints that were included. Now when we go to collections, we can see all of those requests that agent mode created. And if we go back to our files, we can see that in our config, we can see this new collection was created. And if I go to collections, we'll be able to see that here as well. So my backend was updated with this new collections folder, and we can see that here. Okay, now let's go to our backend code, and I want to add another function. So let's add this new function to be able to disable a feature flag. Okay, let's save that, and now let's tell agent mode. I just made changes to my backend code, update my collection. So now it's going through my Flask app, and it found the collection. It's reading that file, and it says all endpoints are already present except for this disable endpoint. And now it's going to update the collection with the missing endpoint. Okay, so now let's go to collections, and we can see disable feature flag is now here. So now let's go the other way. Now let's make a change to our collections and then tell agent mode to update the backend. Okay, so now let's ask agent mode, create a new GET request that lists all disabled feature flags. And we can see agent mode added this new get disabled feature flags request. So now let's tell agent mode, I just updated my collection, update my backend code. And we should see that get disabled feature flags in my backend Flask app. Okay, it says your backend is now synced with the latest collection updates. Let's go check. If we open up our backend, and we can see that change that was made right here in the backend. In this example, we did the full life cycle of connecting to the workspace, asking agent mode to generate a collection, and then seeing that collection generated in Postman. And then we made changes to our backend code and told agent mode to update our collection, and it did. And then the other way, making changes to our collection and then having agent mode update your backend.